General Dynamics. NASSCO has been officially awarded a contract by the United States Navy to undertake a major maintenance project on the amphibious assault ship USS America, LHA-6. The ship is currently conducting operational missions in the East China Sea region as part of the U.S. 7th Fleet, with recent activities involving F-35B Lightning II flights from Squadron V MFA 242 in Japan. The contract awarded is a $198.9 million firm fixed-price contract, potentially increasing to $209.2 million if all additional options are exercised. The project is scheduled to begin upon USS America's return to San Diego, with a target completion date of July 2027. The repairs will be conducted within the framework of the Docking Selected Restricted Availability DSRA program for fiscal year 2026. The funding source for this contract comes from procurement funds, fiscal year 2025, at 91%, and operations and maintenance funds, fiscal year 2025, at 9%. It should be noted that part of the maintenance budget must be used before the end of the fiscal year. The procurement process for this contract was conducted competitively through the System for Award Management SAM website, with 2 proposals received. History and role of USS America. The USS America was the first ship of its class designed to accommodate air operations as the primary method of force delivery. The America-class ship project began as a replacement for the Tarawa-class LHA ships, with a focus on flexibility and modern aviation capabilities. The ship began construction in 2008 by Northrop Grumman's shipyard in Pascagoula, Mississippi, and officially joined the ranks of the U.S. Navy on October 11, 2014. The ship has a full displacement of nearly 45,700 tons, is 257 meters long and 32 meters wide. Its power comes from 2 marine gas turbines and 2 auxiliary propulsion motors, producing a total power of 80,000 horsepower and a speed of more than 22 knots. Designed to support the missions of the Marine Expeditionary Units, the ship can carry 1,687 Marine personnel and has a permanent crew of more than 1,200. In standard configuration, the ship is capable of carrying 12 MV-22B Ospreys, 6 F-35B Lightning II, 4 CH-53K 7 attack and utility helicopters, AH-1Z/UH-1Y, and 2 MH-60S. For certain missions, the ship can even carry up to 20 F-35Bs. The ship's armament includes rolling airframe and evolved Sea Sparrow missile systems, Phalanx CIWS, 25mm cannons, and .50 caliber machine guns. Design Evolution and Modernization Plan. USS America belongs to the Flight Zero configuration, which lacks a well deck. Although this design provided more space for air operations and maintenance, the absence of a well deck was criticized for limiting amphibious capabilities. Therefore, later versions such as USS Bougainville LHA-8 restored the feature in the Flight I configuration. Future maintenance under the DSRA program is expected to include structural upgrades in the flight deck area to support the intensity of F-35B operations, including reinforcement under the landing area to handle the extreme temperatures of vertical landings. In addition, the work may include the removal of piping and lighting systems and the repositioning of antennas for smooth airborne operations. These steps reflect the U.S. Navy's commitment to ensuring USS America's future combat readiness and technological capabilities, both in peace and in conflict, as reflected in its motto, Bello vel pace paratus, ready for war or peace. Technological excellence and defense systems. As the lead ship of its class, USS America is equipped with a variety of advanced technological systems that strengthen its role in expeditionary operations. Advanced radar systems such as AN/SPQ-9B for surface detection, AN/SPS-48EV-10 for 3E, D-air search, as well as AN/SPS-49, V1 for 2D radar, ensure situational awareness in all terrains. In addition, the AN/SPN-43C air traffic control system simplifies flight coordination on deck. In terms of defense, USS America is no less formidable. The ship is equipped with multiple defense systems that include 2 rolling airframe missile, RAM launchers, 2 evolved Sea Sparrow missile, ESSM, launchers, 2 20mm caliber CIWS Phalanx automatic cannon systems, as well as a 25mm Bushmaster cannon and 7.50 caliber heavy machine guns. These systems provide protection against a range of threats, from cruise missiles to surprise attacks from the air or sea. Long-term support for future operations. With planned modifications in the DSRA program, the U.S. Navy is showing serious efforts in maintaining and improving the combat capability of America-class ships. Structural upgrades to support the landing of the F-35B, which is known for its extremely hot exhaust bursts when landing vertically, are a concrete example of how technology and operations are continuously being adapted. This move is not only in line with current needs, but also a long-term investment in maintaining the United States' sea supremacy. Moreover, the F-35B is now the backbone of the light carrier concept, which provides great flexibility in deploying military forces in various conflict areas. Strengthening the flight deck, improving lighting and plumbing systems, and enhancing flight paths will ensure USS America remains a mainstay in various operations, both offensive and humanitarian and evacuation missions.